mesa ng Alvic Chua and Arlene Borja are all students of De La Salle University. Sila ang mga pambato ng Lasal sa table tennis. Let's get to know more about them and their sport.
Table tennis is more than just a sport. I consider it almost as part of my life, as daily routine, place wherein I can enhance my skills. It also enjoys myself. The benefits of table tennis are when it comes to social aspect, you're able to meet new friends, and as you get along with them, there's a friendship that will build. When it comes to physical aspect, it's a good form of exercise.
According to Alvic, table tennis is a lot harder than it looks. Marami kasi itong technicalities.
Table tennis, iba siya sa ibang sports kasi parang sobrang technical niya. Yung sa table tennis, yung may ikot yung bola, like side spin, chop, lawa. Tapos yung, kahit tingnan ng mga ibang tao, sobrang dali ng table tennis kasi parang nakatayo lang siya, tsaka maliit yung lamesa mo. Pero kung hindi nila alam na parang yung sa liit ng lamesa niya, tsaka sa liit ng bola, sobrang bilis ng galaw ng bola. Kaya kailangan mabilis ka rin gumalaw. Yung mga reaction mo, tsaka yung isip mo, kailangan snap ka agad.
Reflex, hand-eye coordination, at iba pa. Kaya mga kailangan sa table tennis, kaya importante ang practice.
Dito sa DLSU, yung training namin para kaming pamilya. Antay namin dumating lahat after class. Tapos magsisimula kami sa isang prayer. Tapos ng prayer, magja-jog kami. Tapos ng jog, meron kami tinatawag na linear warm-up. Tapos ng linear warm-up, may break kami sandali for water. Tapos mag-basic drillings na kami, like forehand, backhand. Tapos nun advance yung mga spin, sa backspin, gano'n. Tapos yung susunod nun yung scrimmage na, yung kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa game, pero pinapractice mo lang as drilling. Yung coach, napaka-importante. Kasi yung coach ang nagsisilbing guidance natin para magawa natin yung mga tama. Kasi pag nasa game tayo mismo, hindi natin alam yung mga mali na ginagawa natin. May mga bagay na akala natin tama, pero hindi natin nakikita. Kasi yung coach yung mismo, parang may experience na sila sa bagay na yan. Kaya parang alam na nila kung ano yung tamang dapat gawin mong gawin sa mga situation na binibigay.
Masayang sports, pero not all the time. There are hurdles na dapat malampasan.
For me, the most challenging part in playing table tennis is yung dealing with all of the routines every day. Kasi minsan nakakasawa yung routines. After school, you go to your training, then after training, rest, then kinabukasan, training na naman. So parang minsan, imbes na mag-rest na lang, parang training na naman, yung mga ganun.
Talagang nasa puso ni Arlene ang sport na to. Kaya no matter what happens, she'll still be involved in the game.
I still want to play in the Olympic Games if given a chance. Pero kung di naman, I want to coach sa isang school. An athlete to be successful, of course, kailangan maging disciplined enough siya sa mga ginagawa niya. And then, hard work and yung perseverance na mag-achieve pa more dun sa sports nila.
Hindi lang ang players ang may advice na maibibigay. Meron din si coach, kaya listen guys.
Dapat tandaan ng players yung positive attitude, disiplina, dedication, commitment para maging successful table tennis player.